In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Pinterest. After creating your Pinterest account, you probably want to change your Pinterest language. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then continue to the top right corner where you see this three dots and tap on it. Proceed to tap on settings. Among the bunch of menus, continue to tap on account management. Then proceed to tap on personal information. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. In order for you to change your language, all you have to do is to tap on languages. As you could rightly see, my default language is English UK. Feel free to tap on this arrow, then continue to tap on any language that you want to select. And that's it. You have successfully changed language on Pinterest. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.